Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? Just making video for a quick update, really. It seems like not a lot has changed, but I think actually there is. Just me getting back into it. So I've moved from the test environment. I've moved it to the new demo website. I will make another one later on today. I will clone this with a brandless, so for selling just slots and all that, you know, the API. So okay, that's good that everything works. Oh well, there's all like little changes. For example, I've changed to a different avatar generator, you know, like all this stuff. I think it's now gonna be all this small stuff. I've added this. This is the what's it called? The live feed. But I think I'm gonna remove this one actually, just because I want the site to remain pretty good on performance, really. So I think I'm gonna either remove this or only show the new ones. Then the slots thing. I've added the thumbnails. They are all right. Nothing more than all right. I added the banner here. These are to be populated with new ones. Of course, the categories. The categories for providers should be in. No. This one. So this is working. Still have to add like what I was actually busy with is adding all the fucking providers, you know, to be taken from the API. So now it should be able to. Provider is. Wait, hold on. I forgot what the fucking thing was. There. Oh no. List provider. Okay, so this actually will take the providers from the API based on the API key, of course, so we can disable or enable certain providers depending on the contract or whatever the fuck they want, or add new ones, of course. So they will be taken, and then what I want is to add actually also the GGR in here based on the client, so that he gets live GGR, that it can also be later on implemented in this admin. So they will still have the main API backend, but basically never ever have to visit there, really, because all the stuff is in here, you know. All this fucking going back and forth. Yeah. So, and I've added all this, the categories. These right now they're just text, but I want them to be selectable. But we need to really populate these categories, and everybody can basically do this. So if you can do this, and you have jack shit to do right now, because some of us do have jack shit to do, because, well, waiting on this, you know. So if you can do that, it's basically putting the games, not all games, but the popular games and the games where we make money on, the good ones, net and whatever the fuck. So to add them in the categories, and even add some new ones, I think. And then what I've been experimenting with, basically, is you know, the problem with the slots is still kind of there, that the slots list it's too large, and not because of the images itself, but literally because of the amount of data that the fucking thing has to process, you know, the fucking browser. So what I've done, I've been trying it on the user profile, is that, of course, this one no games played. Let me see. So this one, and it should, you see, it automatically loads. But not only it loads actually. This is last games, by the way, history of the game on the user profile. So this way we can paginate it, but we can do the same with slots. So this is what I think is going to be the solution. So you scroll and more. These are all old games, by the way. They're not shown properly, but I've made it so. Yeah, you see, there's a lot of small things, so that you actually have the little icon, and well, yeah, that's about it really. I want to keep it a bit short because I'm kind of busy actually with the actual shit itself, you know. I forgot what this one. So oh yeah, and I've done some work on the actual game launcher. Look, this one is slowing stuff down. You see that it has to load everything, which is fine because it only needs to load it once at the start. But that is something we should improve, and I think it's gonna be improved because right now it's also even loading some of the slots, a lot of the slots actually, and I have not cached everything yet. Not cache like in a cache, stack the money cache, but I've the cache. Now I don't know how to say it properly. The cache is I've not set up that yet, and I gotta refactor everything. I think I'm gonna focus on that today because everything other than that is working pretty good. And oh yeah, like this small stuff, the old demo link we gotta change, all that good stuff. And Xline is back, I think, to make USD. Make everything in USD value. So right now this is still in F. This all needs to be USD. Not actual USD, but converted. But it shows USD. Same with this. All this because also like right now, for example, it just doesn't have room, but the room will be there when like this stuff. When these are all USD, this one we can let go the time. I've actually removed it already, I see, partly. So it will go one up. It will go one up. I will do that actually right now. I think. Yeah, that's really about it. I guess, you know. Other than that, I don't think there is that much to do before Friday at least. But for what's it called? I have to focus there for a moment. Okay, so that's fixed. Right now it's 1.4 MB. So we are growing a little bit. I want to clear that up. I mean, in 1.4 MB is nothing, but you know, before we know it, in a few months, it's gonna be tenfold because of adding all the new shit. You know, so I think that's about it. I'm gonna start refactoring everything. And then Friday we're just gonna launch the pilot, I guess, and some clients. I guess on Friday also. It really depends, but maybe the day after. A lot of the network functionality is not in yet. Like, well, what can be done is basically this front end. This can just run independently, you know. Can just load it headless the whole app, so people can make their own front end if they wish. Should be working like that. And we just have WebSocket running, I guess. That's about it. But I think a lot is gonna be on refactoring and performance. That's the point where I'm at right now. Not performance on the actual games or whatever the fuck, but this is the issue, or not the issue, but it's loading 4,000 objects, you know, and it's not like it's heavy for the server, but it can be heavy for the browser. So this is what I'm gonna do in in the infinite scrolling basically. But as you see, there's a lot of small stuff to be done. Like this is basically like this where you only look like right now 15. So I think I'm gonna do the same with that with games, but just then like by the 100, you know, 100 instead of 4,000 at once. But we'll see what refactoring do. I think the caching it's gonna do a lot of the stuff. So, but we're on schedule, I guess. Well, I guess no, we are. So yeah, that's about it. A lot of stuff done. I played around with the animations, all that is good right now, you know, like this stupid ass shit. Yeah, let's keep it short, okay. I'll keep you all informed. And David, good luck with your Malta parties, I guess. And the rest, we're getting at that point where we can populate the stuff. So there's enough stuff to do. Bye bye.